They're the new faces shaking up the dev tools scene, but between Base44 and Cursor, which one really delivers? On the left, Base44, the challenger promising seamless AI pair programming. And on the right, Cursor, known for its collaborative coding experience. Let's ignore the hype and focus on what actually matters. We'll put both to the test, scoring them across key categories so you'll know exactly where each one stands. And honestly, you might be surprised by the winner. Here's our game plan. We're gonna look at one by one: target user, key features, AI capabilities, speed and workflow, pricing, security and privacy, and of course, scalability. So yeah, lots to talk about. Let's get into it. Okay, first up, who are these for? Base44 totally leans into the non-coder crowd. Founders who want to build an MVP but wouldn't call themselves Python wizards. You just type what you want and boom, an app pops out. I mean, that's wild, right? The flip side is, if you're advanced, you might hit a wall. Cursor is like, hey devs, come on over. You get those deep codebase smarts and every tool for pros. But honestly, if you're not comfy coding, Cursor is kinda intimidating. Winner here, actually call it a tie. It just depends who you are. Features time, Base44 gives you almost the whole package. You get database, authentication, analytics, hosting, no code, no sweat. You can plan features, chat with the AI, ship a thing like same day. Though let's be real, some designs are basic. You might crave something fancier that you'll have to tweak. Now Cursor's all about the code editing work, AI refactor, autocomplete, deep code search, the sort of stuff that makes devs go finally. Import your favorite VS Code extensions, key bindings, themes, and it's super flexible. That said, it's not for launching the whole app, it's just focused on the editing experience. Both are packed but in different ways, so yup, we're calling this one a tie. Okay, AI powers, who's flexing hardest? Base44 lets you build apps with prompts, add little AI widgets like chatbots, predictive bits. Super cool for folks who just want a working thing fast. But you're mostly sticking to platform templates. Cursor, though, is a beast. It hooks up with the best LLMs, GPT-4, Claude, you name it, and you can chat with your code, get tests written, ask it refactor stuff for you. It's way more advanced, but it's only inside the editor. If we're talking pure AI muscle, Cursor definitely runs away with it. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Cursor's AI can answer questions about your entire codebase? It's like having a genius code buddy right in your editor. That's kinda wild. Speed and workflow, this is honestly where Base44 shines. You want to launch an MVP in minutes, literally, it feels magical. Set up, deploy, and then you can go break for lunch. If you're doing heavy custom work, though, you might find its limits. Cursor does speed up development a ton. No one likes writing boilerplate code, right? But you still need to do the dev stuff, and it isn't a one-click deploy, so there's a bit of overhead. Base44 is the one that saves most time on launch and workflow, so they're taking the win here. Let's talk cash. If you're bootstrapping, Base44 is usually cheaper for MVPs, especially because you don't need all those random SaaS subscriptions. But yeah, go wild customizing and scaling and the price rises. Cursor is a pro-grade editor for $20 a month, which isn't nothing, but for what it offers, some devs say it's a steal. Main thing, you've gotta pay up to unlock the full AI stuff. For most quick builds, Base44 will save you money, so it's got the edge. Security and privacy, always a biggie. Base44 handles security for you, so it's convenient, but it can feel a little take it or leave it. If you want deep control, you might be wanting more. Cursor, though, they flex about being SOC 2 certified. There's even privacy mode, so your code never leaves your machine. Nice. The catch is that managing security is on you as the dev. Still, Cursor's winning, it's just got more going on for privacy nerds. Scalability, so say you go viral, what happens? Base44 is awesome for prototyping, quick launches, even handling lots of simple users. But if you need wild customization or you want to build an enterprise beast, you'll feel some friction. Cursor, on the other hand, pretty much lets you use whatever dev stack you want. It scales as far as your cloud provider or codebase allows. It's solid for massive projects if you're up for it. So Cursor's got the win for scale. If you map it all out, productivity, price, features, Base44 stands out for fast, no-code launches and savings. But on AI features, security, and flexibility, Cursor seriously dominates if you're a dev. Alright, so there you have it. If you literally just want to ship apps without touching code, go Base44. If coding's your day job and you want next-level help as you work, Cursor is doing all the cool things under the hood. It honestly boils down to how much you want to get into the weeds, you know. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.